When it comes to beverages, few have captured the imagination and energy levels of consumers quite like Red Bull. With its distinctive blue and silver can and its reputation for giving you wings, it's become a cultural icon. But what's inside that can? What is this magical elixir that has fueled countless all-nighters, gaming sessions, and moments of productivity? And how does it actually work? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and dive into the fascinating world of Red Bull manufacturing. We'll explore the intricate process from sourcing ingredients to the final product hitting the shelves. So buckle up and get ready for an eye-opening journey into the inner workings of one of the world's most iconic energy drinks. Our story begins in the heart of Thailand, where Khao Phrao, also known as the Sugar or the Blue Mountain, is revered as the birthplace of Red Bull. Legend has it that the drink was inspired by the traditional Thai energy drink Krating Dang. However, Red Bull's journey took off when it was introduced to Europe by an Austrian named Dietrich Mateschitz. Intrigued by the invigorating effects of the beverage, he saw an opportunity to create a drink that could help people push through fatigue and conquer their days with renewed energy. On April 1987, Red Bull was officially trademarked, and on October 1, 1987, Red Bull GmbH was founded in Fulpiems, Austria. It marked the beginning of an era that would forever change the way people perceived energy drinks. One of the first things you might notice about the Red Bull plant is its striking appearance. The factory stands out not just because of its size, but also because of its unique design. This isn't your typical industrial complex. The architects have paid attention to detail, creating a building that reflects the dynamism and energy of the brand itself. As you approach the main entrance, you're greeted by a large sign that reads Hangar 7. This isn't just a random name. It pays homage to the historic Hangar 7 in Salzburg, Austria, where aviation pioneers once assembled their aircraft. It's a subtle nod to the idea that Red Bull gives you wings, allowing you to soar to new heights. Walking inside, you're immediately struck by the high-tech, ultra-clean production line. It's a testament to the company's commitment to quality and efficiency. The machines are state-of-the-art, capable of producing thousands of cans of Red Bull every minute. But amidst this advanced technology, there's still a sense of tradition. The workers are dressed in green, the color associated with nature and vitality, reflecting the drink's natural origins. The air is filled with a distinct aroma, a unique blend of citrus and spice that signals the birth of an energy drink. The manufacturing process of Red Bull is a fascinating blend of precision engineering and natural inspiration. It's a journey that transforms basic ingredients into a beverage that's synonymous with energy and excitement. The journey begins with the sourcing of key ingredients. Red Bull's distinctive taste and energizing properties come from a carefully selected blend of natural sources. One of the most important is the taurine, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in the drink's ability to combat fatigue and enhance mental alertness. Taurine is sourced from the finest suppliers, ensuring its purity and potency. Another key ingredient is the caffeine, which provides that extra boost of energy. Red Bull uses only the highest quality caffeine, carefully measured to ensure the perfect level of stimulation. The sugar used in Red Bull is not your average commodity. It's a special variety known as dextrose, a type of sugar that provides a quick source of energy, mirroring the drink's promise of an instant boost. All these ingredients are carefully selected, not only for their quality, but also for their ability to work synergistically, creating a whole that is greater than the sum of its parts. Once the ingredients are sourced, they begin their journey into the heart of the production process. Here's where science meets art. The mixing of these natural ingredients with water and other additives creates the distinctive Red Bull formula. The process is highly controlled, balancing precision with the need for consistency. Large industrial mixers, gleaming and robust, are employed to blend these ingredients, ensuring that each batch maintains the unique flavor and potency that Red Bull is known for. These mixers are not just tools, they're essential partners in creating the beverage that will soon be enjoyed by millions. As the mixture is prepared, it moves on to the next stage of the process. Filtration. This step is crucial for removing any impurities and ensuring that the final product is not only safe, but also of the highest quality. The liquid is passed through specialized filters that act as sieves, catching any particles that could affect the taste or texture of the drink. It's during this stage that the Red Bull takes on its characteristic clarity, preparing it for the vital carbonation process. At this point, the Red Bull is ready for a transformation that will give it its signature fizziness. Carbon dioxide gas is introduced to the mix, creating those tiny bubbles that dance on your tongue when you open a can of Red Bull. This isn't just for aesthetics. The carbonation adds another layer of excitement to the overall experience. It's also believed to enhance the release of the drink's ingredients, making the energy boost more immediate and enjoyable. With the carbonation complete, the Red Bull is now ready for canning. The cans, those iconic blue and silver cylinders, are more than just containers. They're an integral part of the Red Bull brand identity. The vibrant blue represents the drink's energizing effect, while the silver symbolizes the premium quality of the product. As the Red Bull is filled into the cans, it's not just a mechanical process. It's a moment when the drink takes on its final form, ready to be unleashed into the world. Each can is sealed, ensuring that the contents stay fresh and the quality is maintained until the moment it's opened. After canning, the Red Bull undergoes rigorous quality control checks. A team of experts armed with specialized equipment and a keen eye for detail inspect each batch to ensure it meets the stringent Red Bull standards. This is the final checkpoint before the drink is released, a testament to the company's commitment to excellence. Once it passes the quality control checks, the Red Bull is ready to be packaged and shipped. This stage involves loading the cans onto pallets and preparing them for transport. The pallets are then wrapped and sealed, ensuring that the Red Bull arrives at its destination intact and ready to be enjoyed. The packaging and shipping process is carefully orchestrated to ensure that the drinks arrive at stores and distributors in perfect condition. But the story doesn't end at the factory gates. The distribution network is a critical part of getting Red Bull into the hands of consumers around the world. A well-coordinated distribution system ensures that Red Bull is always available when and where it's wanted. It's a complex network of trucks, warehouses, and delivery systems that keeps the Red Bull flowing. Whether you're grabbing a can from a vending machine, a grocery store, or a corner shop, the distribution network plays a vital role in making that happen. From the careful selection of natural ingredients to the final quality control checks, each step in the manufacturing process is designed to deliver the signature Red Bull experience. The factories, with their cutting-edge technology and dedicated workforce, stand as a testament to the company's commitment to quality and innovation. But perhaps the most important part of the Red Bull story is how the drink has become more than just a beverage. It's become a cultural phenomenon. The iconic blue and silver can is instantly recognizable, and the Red Bull logo is synonymous with energy and excitement. If you want to see what goes into making Coca-Cola, watch this video here. If you want to see how whiskey is made, watch this video here. If you want to see how tequila is made, watch this video here. And if you want to see how vodka is made, click this video here. Or click here to see more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Have a good one. Bye.